Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Delta Airlines Boeing 737-232, wearing the 2000s era Colors in Motion livery. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This aircraft was powered by two Pratt Whitney series low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 16,400 pounds force or 73 kilonewtons at full power. This aircraft can carry anywhere from 102 to 136 passengers, depending on layout and class mixture. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 473 knots or 876 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 2,600 nautical miles or 4,800 kilometers with a standard load on board. This 737 was initially delivered to Delta Airlines from the Boeing factory in Renton, Washington on September 5th of 1984. At this point in the Airliners' history, the aircraft was painted in the classic Widget livery that Delta used from the 1970s into the late 1990s. The aircraft received its current registration of November 321 Delta Lima, its only registration it would have for its entire paying career. This 200 model 737 flew for the main Delta Airlines service from 1984 to 1997, where it transferred to the Delta Express service, working the Northeast U.S. corridor between Washington, D.C. and Boston, and it also served many cities in Florida. With the creation of the Song Airline subsidiary for Delta Airlines, serving the same Northeast corridor originally served by Delta Express in 2003, all of Delta's 737-200s were returned to the mainline service. This aircraft in particular was repainted in Delta's 2000-era Colors in Motion livery, foregoing being painted in the interim Ron Allen livery of the late 1990s. This aircraft flew in this manner until September of 2005, when it was stored at the Victorville, California Aircraft Boneyard. Another year, the aircraft was brought back from extinction by its purchase by Northern Air Cargo in 2006. In 2007, the aircraft began serving the northern reaches of Alaska, with intermittent use in the Caribbean and South America for cargo deliveries. 2019 saw the aircraft and the rest of Northern Air Cargo's 737-200s retired and replaced by Boeing's 737-300s and 400s. At this point, this aircraft is somewhere in Canada, with KC Aerospace providing parts to its siblings and cousins as needed. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Aeroclassics in 2023. As far as our production team has been able to discern, this is the only model of this particular aircraft made by any company in any scale. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get more views, and more complete views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution on YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.